Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. So I wanted to do a quick update on SHIBA. Not really TA or anything, just kind of, we did hit 48 microcents. We almost we 49 actually. We hit 49 microcents at its peak around 5:35 a.m. Unfortunately, I did not wake up today to go work out, to go run, so I did not make any videos today in the morning, and I didn't catch this, or else I would have caught this perfectly at 5:35 a.m. But again, SHIBA did break relative highs of, I think it was like 47, and we went straight to 49. I think as of right now, I would still say I'm pretty bullish on Shiba Inu to keep running. I don't know if we're gonna. I don't think we're gonna correct all that much. I don't know if we're gonna go back all the way to 41, but we'll see. Right? We don't know what's gonna happen yet. I actually think that we are gonna probably go back to up to 49, but that's something that I would have to look at the charts for. But as of right now, I think my Shiba position right now, it's like 23 or 24K. I have to look, but I think it's now up to 23, $24,000 overall. So I'll see you guys later. Shiba Inu breaks relative highs. I still think it's gonna keep going up. I still think it's gonna be it's going towards 59 microcents before we really see any sort of like real big resistance. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.